Well, here we are on our nature walk. This is we found this place. It's on the they said it's on a body of water. It's called this a nature walk. It's a walkway, millions of dollars probably spent. And I guess here's the nature. It's like canal of water. And the park is like, this is the highlight of the park with all the area to sit, and this is what you look at. You get entertainment here. You got some car crushers. They pick up cars, they crush them, and they slam them on this boat over here to be brought to China, I guess, to manufacture toys for our kids. They got fires over there for whatever reason, I guess burn off the extra gasoline and stuff. Well, it's a nice nature park all in all, right? With entertainment, right, Zeke? What is it?
Very environmental.
The nature.
Look at that car they got there.
They got a nice car being crushed. Beautiful. Yep, a lot of stuff going on. Got some cars over here. We saw them being crushed and stacked neatly. Nice bridge over there. I guess pretty old bridge. Modern bridge above it. And here's all the nature, I guess. Little boat over there. Guy busy. I guess he's fishing. Clamming, whatever he's catching. You know? It's a canal. What they call a nature park. We're next to like Time Warner cable company with all the trucks and equipment and so forth. There's a nature man, nature appreciator right there. Beautiful. Shall we move out of this nature bliss?
Yeah.
All right, I guess.
Garden of Eden, right?
Yeah, we're gonna leave this Eden here. I don't know how we can pull ourselves away, but we got to go back camping and enjoy the remnants of the city on our way back. We're still in Brooklyn. All right.